Hello, I'm back with another nature diamond. I'm completely lost. I don't know where my family is. I don't know where anything is. It's frigid out. All there is just land. Nothing. I'm completely lost. I don't know what half these plants are. I mean, just look at this. Just look at that. I just got splinters all over them. Like, oh, they're not there. Oh, right there. Splinters. Well, they fell off, but I don't know. The plants have probably cut myself like 16,000 times out here. I'm completely lost. No food for what? I think 6 days now. No water either. I've just been living off these mushrooms. These mushrooms I find every now and then. I still don't know if they're safe to eat. But, you know, we're gonna try it out here. I am super scared. I've only eaten like one of these. I had diarrhea for about 4 days, but I'm telling you right now, it's so good. I mean, it's better than nothing, let's be honest. Oh God, I just don't know. Oh God. I mean, well, let me do one more. I gotta do one more. I gotta do one more. Okay, it's not very good. It's not very good. No. Disclaimer, disclaimer, do not eat these. Don't eat these. You will die. Anyway. I'm out here in the woods. I don't even know what to call it. I'm like I'm gonna die out here. I mean, yeah, no food. No food at all. There's nothing. Nothing. There's some wild dogs. Yeah, they are. Some wild dogs over there. Exotic animals right there. Look at that. Wild dogs. It's just me and these wild dogs out here. That's it. There's nothing. I've heard stories of there being food out here, water. I mean, I've heard many stories. I haven't been able to say anything. I mean, you know, here I am, just a lonely man out here in the woods. In the woods. Nothing but me in the wilderness. There's just nothing. I mean, yeah, I got some warm clothes, I got some warm hands, but it doesn't help that there's nothing out here. But every single day, I look more and more for the food and the water. I'm gonna go on a little hunt today. I decided to document this particular day because I think I'm just feeling it in the water. I'm just feeling it in the air. It smells like food and it smells good. I'm gonna try to find as much food. I see some water. I've been warned by a local Indian not to drink the water. It's tainted. But it looks good. The water looks good. Very much scavenge on. I've stumbled upon a little barge here with some water. It's quite a stunning look, but this tree. It's a nice looking tree. Get that 3 out of 10 on the tree still. But this water does not look drinkable, I'll tell you that. I mean, look at it. Take a quick gander at the water. Not drinkable water. We got a little barge right there. A little sewer pipe right there. I've been walking for about About maybe 10, 20 minutes. Stumbled upon this little area. It looks like people have been here because there's a little man-made structure right here. That's good to know. But I don't know. The smell of food it's grown stronger. There's this little patch of land right here. It just looks promising. Looks like there might be something in here. Smells like maybe ham, turkey. I don't know. Oh. Okay. Well, there's food somewhere. But there's food somewhere and I know it. I can smell it. It's so good and I just want to eat it and smell it, you know? Oh, it's around here somewhere. I can smell it. It's right there. I can see it right there. Right there. Oh, I've never been so happy in my life. But here it is. The food. The fabled food. It's right before our eyes. Right there. I gotta eat some. Did I not know? Did I not know? I know when there's food. I know when there's food. Oh, yeah. A little dry. But it's food. Whatever. You don't know how much I've been craving some Kirkland purified water with minerals added for taste. 16.9 fluid ounces, 500 milliliters, or 1.5 PT. I don't know what that stands for, but it's right there. Oh, I've been dying for this type of water. Oh, I have to drink it. It's so good. The meat, the texture's a little off, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh. Now, a good person spits the water a little bit. Just a little bit to get the minerals a little added in there. And then completely douses themselves in it. Water. Oh, it's so good. Oh, the best water I've ever had in my life was this type of water right here. You know, it's been a good day. It really has. It really has been a good day. Yeah. But there's one last thing I need to do.